Think about a time when you were annoyed at your husband or your dad or your partner who is a male. This is in honor of Father's Day, and I promise I'm going to get around to the good point at the end of the video. Think of a time, bring yourself there when you were frustrated and mad and annoyed and you just wanted to get out of that space. I'm Dr. Allison Coffin. I'm a doctor of chiropractic in private practice, and I teach meditation to busy working moms. And I teach easy, doable ways to do it so you can get back to your life, and enjoy the people that you chose to spend life with. And I give you actionable steps on how to get there. I've been meditating for over 15 years. I'm a busy working mom myself, and the things that I've learned, I just want to share with the world. Something that's interesting about Father's Day, a little tiny anecdote about my life, is I was raised by a single dad for the majority of my childhood. So today we're going to talk about appreciation, and I happen to have an immense amount of appreciation for my father, but I think we can all dig down deep and find appreciation for our partners on this Father's Day. And most of us that have relationships, are lucky enough to have relationships with a male in our lives, can really find something that we're really, really grateful for. So today I'm going to talk about how to find in your body a way to be grateful for the people that are male figures in your life. So you're going to pick a male figure that you want to celebrate this Father's Day. It can be your dad, it can be your uncle, it can be a trusted friend, it can be anyone who identifies as male that has been instrumental in your life. It can be the father of your children. And we're gonna go into our bodies and think of things that we like about that person, love about that person, appreciate about that person. So I'm gonna invite you to go first into your head. Think cognitively, analytically, what you love about that person. So for me, I'm picking my husband. Something I love about him, I love that he's so good at cleaning the dishes. I know that sounds ridiculous, but he's so good at it. It's always fresh and clean. He cleans the sink too. I like that. And then we're going to go into our heart space, and you're going to find in your heart what you love about that male figure. So in my heart, I love my husband. I love that he loves my kids, and I love that he loves us unconditionally and is always there for us. And then third, we're going to go into our gut. So you're going to go right into your gut, so your solar plexus, the thing that gives you feeling for many people and helps with your decision making. Bring that person to your mind again, and you're going to think of what in your gut makes you appreciate and love them. In my gut, I feel safety with him. And so that part, those are the three things that you could do. So you go into your head cognitively, in your heart, and see how you feel about it, and then in your gut, just how you physically feel about that person. And you can do that with any male figure that you admire in honor of Father's Day. You can do it over and over again. If you need some help getting into your mind and out of your head, you can click the link below to get a 5-minute guided meditation, and then do this practice of finding 3 things for the people that you love and care about. Feel free to write it down and give it to them for this Father's Day. And I just want you to remember that the calm and peace that you create today creates a generation of peaceful people. I'm so happy that you're here.